Welcome to Shan's Big World 2019 time. Today's video, I got a flash flood watching Coastal Flood Watch. So we're around here. Yep, let's click there. See, we're also under Coastal Flood Watch. So let's search for 2109 Abingdon, Maryland. Yep, see, Coastal Flood Watch right here. And Flash Flood Watch. Let's read the Flash Flood Watch first. Ooh, that's a lot of areas that are in effect. Flash Flood Watch now in effect. Ooh, it must be due to the storm. 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain are expected Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. This is expected to result in flash flooding of small streams and creeks and possible river flooding. Oof. Now for the Coastal Flood Watch. Ooh, major river flooding. Ugh, yikes. Ooh. Can't believe we're under a Coastal Flood Watch and a Flash Flood Watch. Ooh, partly sunny today. Tonight, mostly cloudy, then chances of rain. Thursday, rain likely, then showers. Thursday night, it's heavy rain. Christmas Day, chance of rain and snow. Perfect. Friday night, mostly clear. Saturday, sunny. Saturday night, mostly clear. Sunday, sunny. Ooh, sunny day, huh? Can you believe that Christmas Eve is tomorrow, guys? Whoa. Oh, the rain could be heavy at all times. Ooh. Oops, sorry. I can't believe I received a Flash Flood Watch and a Coastal Flood Watch for our area. Ooh. Also around this area, there's a Flash Flood Watch, a gale warning, a small craft advisory, wind advisory, a gale watch, winter storm watch, Coastal Flood Watch, flood watch, wind chill watch, and hazardous weather outlook. I can't believe we're under a Flash Flood Watch. I just ooh. I think this is my first ever Flash Flood Watch video. I don't really remember if I ever done a Coastal Flood Watch EAS video on my phone or on this website or on my radio. I don't know, but I don't remember it, but I used to do EAS videos on my phone, but now if I don't suddenly caught it on my radio or miss it, its final piece, I'll just go on here, weather.gov, because I don't feel like going on my phone no more, reading new weather alerts. I just doing it on weather.gov on National Weather Service radio or website on a computer. Oh, well, let's wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video, leave comments down below. Whoopsie daisies. And press that notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Yoo-hoo!